So today I'm going to discuss here about the interview process of Genpact. Okay, so I hope Genpact is about to visit your college for the placement, and so the most important thing that you're looking for now is what is the entire process, what are the things that you should know before, and how it will be helpful to you. So definitely you are at the very correct video because I'll be discussing all my experience in Genpact selection. Okay, so how I got my selection in Genpact. So Genpact is definitely an MNC company. It is an MNC company. So their process, suppose if the Genpact is about to visit to your college tomorrow, okay, so day before tomorrow, like suppose if they are about to visit tomorrow, then what they will be doing in one day before, 1 or 2 day before in your college, they will inform that about the like what is the online process, like what are the 4 to 5 steps that the candidate have to do at the online basis, and after that only they will give the selection, means the interview process will begin. Because the online process here, it becomes difficult also because it compromises of, I think, 4 to 5 rounds are here, means it will be something like categorized in different, because it will be totally first checking about your communication, that how your communication is, because communication is very important thing that the Genpact emphasizes. Means more importantly what I have seen, because on each and every round they will be judging you on the basis of your communication. So in online process, what will be there will be some 4 to 5 rounds will be there. So I remember in the starting round it was something like sentence you have to speak, so like a screen will be there, some English comprehension question, suppose you have to fill something, a question that will be there, a very general questions will be there. Okay, after that, once you will be completing and uploading, then a second round means, and the very important thing, please be in the good internet connection, then only you will be able to do, because until and unless it does not get uploaded, it will not move to the next round. It is completely an online system that will be designed for the interview process. So next will be there some sentence or words, they will be visible to your screen. Okay, just suppose for 10 to 20 seconds they will be visible on your screen, and again then time will start where you have to speak out those words. And one round will be there that you have screen, means a word will be present and you have to pronounce, and it will record. Okay, and one round was there like one of the means big time taking round was, the machine will be asking the question, tell me something about yourself. Okay, some other 4 to 5 question, very basic question they will be asking, and the entire software that they will be using, it will be self operating, means at each and every step it will be telling you, but it will take time, like while you will go for the examples and other thing. So I am trying to here explain one by one everything to you about the Genpact process. So when you will be there and means giving like suppose the timer of 2 minutes is there on the video, so when it will ask you, tell me something about yourself. Okay, then within 2 minutes you try to practice in that much time, that within the 2 minutes you will be able to summarize, none of the time lapse either forward or after that. Okay, so that it can be perfect, so practice according to that. A question can be there, why you want to join for the company, so you have to give the reason within that time only, because a face recording will be there. Okay, because someone else who is sitting for you and giving that answer will not be. Okay, so they take a face interview. So first thing, like a laptop or a phone is very compulsory for this, like having a good camera. Next is the HR face to face, that will be in the campus. So once you will be able to done this, the company can also do like after they come to the campus. But what happens, like if they will tell, first thing is it will be an online system, not a manual system, so machines they cannot do like any kind of wrong bits like on the selection basis. So one day before, it will be time saving to the person who is coming to the college for next interview rounds. So the HR person who will be coming, she will be doing a GD round. So in that GD round, she will be giving a question to all those. Suppose 10 people are going, then she will be giving a question like my question was, what do you consider to be a turning point in your life till now? And this was the question where everyone, all the 10 people who were sitting there, we have to answer on the basis of our, like what was the turning point. So again here what she will be looking for, she will be looking for your fluent communication, your correct grammar using, your words to be correct, how fluent you are while speaking. Okay, so these are the things she will be noticing, because I have seen those, like in those candidate, like she was having some doubt, like okay, but some words she is having a problem in pronouncing. So what she was doing, she was telling that word and tell that person to just repeat me after that this word, and if she found to be correct, she was listing the candidate's name. So after this round only, a GD, face to face GD round only, she will be telling the name of the candidates who's like she will be forwarding to get sum up with this round. So after combining both of these, means suppose if a candidate, suppose three of the candidate they are selected in this, so those three candidate marks will be seen total in the online process, that how much they score. Okay, after they score in that and this, they will be added, and then it will be resultant will come, that who all are those who got the final selection on the basis of these two rounds. Suppose if two got selected, then it will they will be having again, means the further round. Okay, for face to face round or the video call interview round, this will take after some time, like she will be giving the list to the college that who all are the people who got selected, and after the selection only, like you will get a call from there before your final interview, that what is the thing, and how was the campus interview, okay, what are your experience, what you learned about the JANPACT, another thing will be there, and after that a video call interview will be held, like it can be Skype interview, it can be WhatsApp call interview. At my time it was WhatsApp call interview. Okay, so the senior person of the company, uh, he or she may have a video call interview from either of any of the resources, according to the network coverage that they are having or you are having, according to your convenience. So this will be the final one, and after this they will like after taking some time, they will inform the college that about the selection procedure. Okay, so this is the entire process of the GenPact. In that one, the very important round is this online, because if you are doing anything well, because this is the machine, they will process to the very correct way. Okay, so try to score as much as more. So I scored well in this one. Okay, so online process is very important, because once you will be there, then only this score will be considered. Okay, so this is all about the GenPact process. Hope all you got the clarity in the process of the GenPact. Okay, for any further detailed question, you can just comment me below. Thank you very much.